Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's and today I'm here to talk to you about our pork butt shoulder roast. If you're familiar with our farm, you know that our meats are leaner than most because our pigs enjoy a happy and active life out on our farm. The way the pigs are raised presents itself in the flavor and the quality of the meat, which is something our loyal customers know and love. The pork shoulder, or Boston butt as they are sometimes called, is a popular cut of meat that comes from the upper shoulder of the front leg of the pig. This cut often contains the blade bone and is very well marbled with fat. The whole shoulder, which is here, is a large cut of pork that ranges from 8 to 10 pounds and can have the skin removed or the skin left on. Our pork butt shoulder roasts can be cut into roasts ranging from 2 to 10 pounds, or it can easily be cut into slices which are known as pork steaks or into thick strips known as country-style ribs. This cut is typically bone-in, but you can request to have the roast deboned and netted. The standard size of our pork roasts are usually 3 to 4 pounds, which feeds about 4 to 6 people. Pork shoulder can be either cooked low and slow or hot and fast. The bones and the fat keep the meat from drying out no matter what cooking method you use. It's a great cut for pressure cooking on a busy weeknight. Serve pork shoulder as a hearty roast or shred it for pulled pork sandwiches. Because of the large amount of marbling, it is also a favorite in barbecue competitions. I can't wait to hear how you are cooking it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.